Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we're going to start with grade 7 maths. So, you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 7 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. So, we're going to start with the chapter percents. And the lessons we're going to cover today are solve percent equations word problems, percent of change word problems. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is solve percent equations word problems. So here I'm on grade 7 maths. The chapter is percents, and we're going to start with the lesson that is solve percent equation word problems. Let's start with the first example. 27 out of 36 students of a school assembly were first grade students. What percentage of the students at the assembly were first graders? So basically you need to calculate the percentage. 27 students out of 36. The total students are 36, and out of the 36, 27 are the first graders. You need to calculate the percentage of the students that were first graders. Got it? So basically you need to form a proportion that can be used. That would be part divided by whole equals percent divided by 100. So the question is, you need 27 out of 36. 36 is the whole and 27 is the part of 36. Got it? You need to calculate the percent in the question. So it would be 27 over 36 equals P divided by 100. Got it? Just do cross multiply. Cross multiply 100 to 27. It would be 27 times 100 divided by 36. Got it? Just multiply 100 times 7 is, 27 times 100 is 2700 and divided by 36. Let me just use the calculator. 2700 it is. 2700 divided by 36, it is 75. Got it? That means 27 out of 36 is 75% of total. Got it? That means 27 out of 36 is the 75% of the total. Got it? It would be 75%. Got it? So the correct option is 75%. Just select the correct option. Okay, we are working on the tutorial, I think. Yes, we are working on the tutorial. Let's just do the practice questions. Okay. The next one is Steven's tea shop has caffeinated tea and decaffeinated tea. The tea shop served 70 teas in all, 63 of which were caffeinated. What percentage of the teas were caffeinated? So the total teas the tea shop served is 70. So 63 out of 70 are caffeinated. You need to calculate what percent of the tea is caffeinated. Got it? It is 63 out of 70. 63 out of 70. So 63 is the part of 70. 70 is the whole. You need to calculate the percent in the question. Just form the proportion. It would be part over whole equals percent divided by, it would be part 100. Got it? Do not confuse with this P, and this is the part and this is the percent. Got it? So part is 63, whole is 70, and we have to calculate the percent. Let's suppose it is x divided by 100. Got it? Just do cross multiplication. You need to do 63 times 100 divided by 70. Got it? 100 times 63 is 6300 divided by 70. It would be 7 times 9 is 63. It is 90%. That means 63 out of 70 is 90% of the total. Got it? So that would be the 90%. So the correct option is 93. It would be 93. Got it? Sorry, 90, not 93. So the correct option is 90%. Okay, the next one is at Maria's swimwear. There are 3 bikini styles and 7 other types of swimsuit. What percent of the swimsuit styles are bikini? 3 bikini styles and 7 other types. Got it? That means the total dresses are 10. Got it? And out of the 10, 3 is the bikini. Got it? So you have to do 3 out of 10 because the total are 10. Got it? It will be 3 out of 10. Got it? Just understand the question carefully. At Maria's swimwear, there are 3 bikini styles and 7 other. That means the total swimsuits they have is 7 plus 3, that means 10. Got it? Now you need to 3 is what percentage of the swimming styles are bikini. So 3 is what percent of 10. Got it? So it would be 3 is the part, W is the 10 is the whole. You need to calculate what percent it is. So it would be 3 over 10 equals x over 100. Got it? Just do cross multiplication. It would be 3 times 100 over 10. It would be 30%. That means 30% of the swimsuits were bikini style. Got it? So the correct option is 30%. Alice ordered a set of blue and brown pens. She received 20 blue pens and 30 brown pens. What percentage of the pens were blue? So first of all, you need to calculate the total pens she received. So how many total pens she have? 20 plus 30 is 50. 50 of the pens, total pens, and out of the 50, 20 were blue. Got it? So you need to calculate 20 out of 50. The total are 50. Got it? So it would be 20 over 50 equals x over 100. Got it? It would be 20 over 100 divided by 50. 2000 divided by 50 is 5 times 4 is 20. That means 20 is the 40% of 100. Got it? Yes, it is 40%. Got it? Okay, the next one is the water slides have 33 temporary employees and 11 permanent employees. What percentage of the employees at the water slide are temporary? So first you have to calculate the total employees. The total employees are 33 plus 11 equals 44. Got it? You need to calculate what percent of the employees at the water slides are temporary. Got it? So the temporary employees are 33. So it would be 33 out of 44. Got it? So just from the proportion, it would be 33 over 44 times equals x over 100. Just to cross multiplication, it would be 3300 divided by 44. Got it? So the correct option is 75. That means 33. It would be 75%. Got it? That means 33 is 75% of the, that means 75% of the employees at the water slide are temporary. Got it? Okay, the next one is Allenstown voted on a new speed limit. Out of 96 votes, 48 were in favor of the new speed limit. What percentage of the votes were in favor of the new speed limit? So, which is the correct option? It would be, yes, 50%, because 48 is exactly half of 96. So it would be 50%. Got it? That means 50% of the votes were in favor of new speed limit. Got it? Okay, the next one is during second period, Tess completed a grammar worksheet. She got 29 questions correct and 9 questions incorrect. What percentage did Tess get correct? So the total questions she have is 21, 21 plus 9. That means the total question is 30. Got it? And out of the 30 questions, 21 were the correct. So it is 21 out of 30. You just have to calculate the percentage. It will be 21 over 30 equals x over 100. Got it? Just do cross multiplication. 21 times 100 over 30. 21 over 100 over 30 is 3 times 7 is 21. 70% it is. Got it? That means 21 out of 30 means 70% of the questions were correct. Got it? Jasper's Diner sold 40 milkshakes last week. 8 of the milkshakes had whipped cream on top. What percentage of the milkshake had whipped cream? So 8 out of 40. Got it? 8 out of 40. So it would be 8 over 40 times equals x over 100. Got it? 8 times 100 equals 40. So it would be 800 divided by 48 times 5 is 40. It would be 50%. No, 8 out of 40. 20, sorry, 800 divided by 4 is 20%. That means 28 out of 40 is 20%. Got it? So it would be 20%. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. So the next lesson is, let's just move on to the next lesson. Please make sure you can complete the test questions for the lesson later today. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? The next one is percentage of change. So basically you have to calculate the change. Got it? What is the percentage of change from 500,000 to 800,000. Got it? So how can you calculate the percent of change? You have to use the formula, that is the percent of change. That is the formula, percent of change equals amount of change divided by the original amount. You can calculate the amount of change just by subtracting them. Got it? Just subtract 80,000 minus 800,000 minus 500,000, that would be 300,000. So 300,000 divided by the original amount is basically the change started from 500,000. It is started from 500,000 and moved to 800,000. So the original amount is 500,000. Got it? So it would be 300,000 divided by 500,000, that would be 0.6. You just need to multiply. You have to calculate what percent. So multiply it to the 100. That means it would be 60%. Like it started from 500,000 and moved to 800,000. That would be 60% increase. Got it? So the correct option is 60%. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. You can have a look on the tutorial one by yourself. They are already solved. What percent of change from 75 to 54? Got it? It is started from 75 and ended to 54. So is it increase or decrease? 75 to 54. Original amount is greater than the new amount. Got it? That means it is a loss, 75 to 54. So just calculate 75 minus 54. It is 21 and divided by the original amount. Original amount is 75. That is actually the formula to calculate the change, percentage change. You have to do amount change divided by the original amount. And you have to calculate the percentage. So you have to multiply it by the 100. Got it? So that is the change between the value, that would be 21 over 75. The original amount was 75, multiply it to 100. Got it? Let me just calculate the value. It is 2100 divided by 75. That would be 28. That means the percentage change is 28% and it is decreased. Got it? It would be 28% decreased. Got it? So the correct option is 28% decrease it is. Got it? Okay, the next one is, what is the percentage change from 5 to 9? So 5 to 9, that is an increase. Got it? 5 to 9. So 5 minus 9 is -4. Got it? 9 minus 5, basically you have to do 4 and the original amount is 5. Got it? It is increased from 5 to 9. So the original amount is 5. The formula for to calculate the rate of change is 4 over 5 times 100. Got it? 400 divided by 5. 5 times 8 is 40. That means it is 80% increase. Got it? It would be 80% increased. Got it? What is the percent of change from 4 to 3? So 4 to 3, is it increase or decrease? Percentage change 4 to 3. Got it? That means it is a decrease. Got it? So you have to do 4 minus 3 is 1 over 4. Originally it is 4. The change is 1. It would be 1 over 4 times 100. Got it? 100 over 4 is 25%. Basically, you need to do 3 to minus 4. 3 minus 4 is -1. That negative sign tells you that is a decrease. Got it? So it would be 25% decrease. decrease. 25% decrease. Got it? Option number C is the correct option. It would be a decrease, not increase. The next one is, what is the percent of change from 2000 to 3000? So from 2000 to 3000. So 2000 to 3000 is an increase. Got it? You have to subtract 3000 minus 2000 divided by the original amount is 2000. It would be a positive. That means it is an increase. Got it? 1000 divided by 2000 multiplied by 100. It would be 100 divided by 2 and 100 divided by 2 is 50%. That means it is increased by 50%. Got it? So it is increased 50% increase. Got it? Option number 4 is the correct option. Okay, what is the percentage change from 600,000 to 60,000? 600,000 to 60,000. That would be a decrease. You can from hundreds to 60. Got it? Subtract the second value, 60,000 minus 600,000. It would be, it is 540,000 and a negative value. Got it? The negative value shows it is a decrease. Got it? So you have to divide it by the original value. The original value is 600,000. Got it? So it would be 6 times 9 is 54, and so that means it would be a decrease 90%. Got it? Okay, the next one is, what is the percent of change from 20 to 22, which is the correct option. Which is the correct option from 20 to 22? It would be an increase. Got it? So which is the correct option? So which is the correct option? It is 22 minus 20 is just 2. Got it? 2 over 20 is 2 over 20 times 100 is 10% increase. Got it? That would be 10% increase. The second option is the correct option. Okay, what is the percentage change from 200,000 to 40,000? It would be 200,000 to 20,000. So from 200s to 20, it would be a decrease. Got it? So subtract 20,000 minus 200,000. It would be 180,000, negative 180,000, and at negative tells you it is a decrease. Got it? Divided by 200,000. Got it? Because it is started from 200,000. So zeros and 2 times 9 is 80. So it would be 90% decrease. Got it? So it would be 90% decrease. Got it? So the correct option is 90. 2 times 9 is 18. Wait, I think hmm, it would be 90% decrease, but you don't have 90% here. Why? Decrease. 80% decrease. Let's see how 80% decrease it is. Oh, 40,000. Wait, let me see. Oh, it would be 200,000 to 40,000. I subtracted 20. It is 40,000. So it would be when you, it would be 16. So yes, it is 80,000. Got it? So the correct option is 80% decrease. The correct option is 80% decrease. Okay, the next one is what percentage, what is the percent of change from 4,000 to 600? So which is the correct option? Is it increase or decrease? It would be a decrease. And what percent? It is a decrease. And how much decrease it is? 4,000 minus 600 is 3,400. And 3,400 divided by 4,000 is, hold on, let me just subtract. 4,000 minus 600, that would be 3,400, and 3,400 divided by 4,000, that would be 85%. Got it? The correct option is 85% decrease. Okay, the next one is what is the percent of change from 500,000 to 800,000? So which is the correct option? It would be an increase. Got it? From 500 to 800. Which is the correct option? It would be 60% increase. Got it? The correct option is 60% increase. Got it, everyone? Okay, the next one is what is the percent change from 40 to 70? It is an increase from 40 to 70. Got it? That would be 75% increase. Got it? So the correct option is 75% increase. Got it? Okay, the next one is what is the percent of change from 100 to 34? 100 to 34 is, it is a decrease. Got it? And 66% decrease it is. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is percent of change word problems. Okay, now you're going to start with the word problems. Maria went surfing twice this week. Yesterday she spent 2 hours out riding waves. Today she served for 3 hours. Comparing yesterday to today, what is the percent increase in time that Maria spent surfing? So yesterday she did for 2 hours, today she did for 3 hours. Got it? So you have to calculate the percent of change. You have to use the same formula. That would be percent of change equals amount of change divided by the original amount. Got it? So let's just calculate the amount of change. It is changed from 2 to 3. That means you need to do 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. And the original amount is 2. It would be 1 over 2. 1 over 2 equals 0.5. That means it would be 100%. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. It is 50%. Got it? Okay. The depth of a lake in Campbell changed over time due to rainfall and evaporation. A few months ago, the depth of was 1240 feet. Currently, the depth is 930. By what percent had the depth of lake decreased? So it would be decreased from 1240 to 930. Got it? You need to calculate the change. Got it? So it would be 930 minus 1240 and divided by the original value, it would be 1240. This, when you subtract, it would be a negative. That means it shows it is the decrease. Got it? It would be minus 310. The negative sign shows it would be the decrease. Got it? You just need to do 3 over 10 times 310 divided by 1240 times 100. Got it? It would be 2.5 times 100. It would be 25%. Got it? That means it is decreased by the depth of the depth of the lake is decreased by 25%. Got it? Okay, the next one is Mia and her family are season tickets holders for their favorite baseball team. Last year, the cost of season tickets is 1,260. This year, the cost is 1,134. What is the percent of decrease in the cost of season tickets? So it would be from 112. So just calculate the change. It would be 1134 minus 1260 and the original value is 1260. So just subtract the values. It would be 1134 minus 1260. That would be 126 divided by 1260. So just divide and multiply by 100. Got it? So it would be 1 over 10 times 100. It would be just 10%. Got it? That means the tickets are reduced. The cost of the tickets are reduced by 10%. Got it? So the correct option is 10%. Okay, the next one is every year Clara and her sister attend the Nutcracker at the Stafford Ballet. Last year, orchestra seating cost $50 per ticket. This year it cost $44. What is the percent of decrease in the cost of each ticket? It is decreased from 50 to 44. Got it? It would be 50 minus 44. That would be 6. So it would be 6 over 50 and multiply by 100. Got it? It would be 12%. Got it? So the correct option is 12%. Okay, Perry enjoys taking part in races and keeps track of all of his finishing times. At a race last month, he finished in 170 minutes. Yesterday, he completed another race and finished in 153 minutes. What is the decrease in Perry's finishing time? So it is a decrease. Got it? What percent decrease it is? It is 10% decrease. Okay, let's see. Yes, it is 10% decrease. Got it? Okay, in the past, Min got paid 245,800 annually. Since switching to a new career, she has been making 211,388 annually. What was the percent of decrease in Min's pay? So it is the decrease by what is the percentage, which is the correct option? It would be decreased by, yes, 14%. Got it. It would be decreased by 14%. Okay, the next one is a while back, Dakota paid a car insurance premium 5,330 per year. Now she pays 10% more. What does Dakota pay now? So you have to calculate the 10% of the value. Got it? It would be 10% of 5,330. Just calculate 10% of 5,330. It would be 5,330 times 10 divided by 100. It would be 533. Got it? That means the 10% is 533. Now you have to calculate what does Dakota pay now. So it would be, it is originally 5,330. Just add 10%. So it would be 368. It would be 5,863. Got it? Option number one is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we are working on grade 7 maths. Chapter we're working on is percents, and the lessons we've covered today are solve percents equations word problems. Then we did percent of change, and the one we just completed is percent of change word problems. Got it? So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So that's all for today. See you in the next session. If you have any question, you can ask. I'm waiting for the questions from your side. So if you have any question, you can ask. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.